Good morning guys, my name is Tana and welcome to my channel. It's another round of fleet update and today we are updating what's happening with the Fort Everest behind here. So let's get doing the fleet update. So this is my Fort Everest. Some of you may know, some of you might not know. The Everest had a gear linkage failure whereby the gear could not engage and it was in neutral. I had it sent to a mechanic shop in Shah Alam and it cost me 380 ringgit to fix the cable down there. So apparently under the gearbox there is a gear link cable and got it fixed. I believe parts wise about 200 odd ringgit. All in with labor it was about 300 odd ringgit to have it fixed. Now what's happening with the Everest? Now as you may not know, on the top here I had a roof rack. I had to remove because why? The tires are lifted. The car is lifted, as you can see, it's quite high up, and with this lift here I barely make it pass into any malls. So if I add another kind of a foot there, I kind of scrape through when I go through certain malls like in Sungayang Plaza. So I decided to remove it for now. And the question is, what is next? Well, what's next? I have my obviously the tires and they are lifted. The front, I need a winch though. Winch is required. The question is the winch options you have is you can put a winch inside the bumper with a plate, or you can install a new bumper and install the winch outside. The winch is something that I definitely want to get, but the question in everybody's mind is bar work. Do I need metal work? Do I need a new bumper and a new rear bumper, rear and the front? Well, the arguments are this. They might say is, Tana, you're not doing extreme off-road. You don't need this extreme metal bar or bar work on your truck because you're not going to go really extreme kind of stuff. But the argument is this. It's not only to protect the car. When you go river crossing, you need the weight for the car to sink to the ground so it can actually go through the river. Reason being is, if you take a, let's say a Discovery, old Discovery, water will get in. So is the Prado, so is the older generation trucks. Water will get in and the car will sink in and are able to, I guess, go on the riverbed. On a modern truck like this is basically a boat. Yes, my dear friends, it's a boat. When you put this truck inside water, this will float, and when it floats, the truck will just go across the river. So you need weight to push it down, and that's where the metal work in the front and the back becomes important. So I definitely need to get one. I am looking at options around them. If you know anybody who does metal work for the truck like Everest, let me know. This is the older generation. My only requirement is that I want something that looks good, not only just functional but looks good. There's some in Thailand, but obviously the border is closed. I wish the border was open so I can go there. But other than that, I'm looking around the options. The other one is the back. Now at the back, over here we got the tire cover here. This tire cover I want to remove because why? Currently these are housing the original tires and they're not as big as what I have behind here. So I'm going to find a rim. And again, if you have rims that are 7-inch, something similar to this design over here, let me know. I want to buy one so I can put in the back, and I want to put the tires exposed, or maybe even get like a cloth or a canvas cover to cover this with the word Everest. There's some online that's being sold. So I'm going to get again the bumper for back and rear. I'm going to get this removed. I'm going to get the canvas to cover the tires. Roof rack, I'm going to put it on hold for now. What else I'm going to do the truck? Cosmetic wise, I'm going to do some bits about. I'm going to black out the handles. I'm going to black out this chrome bit here. This one is going to go away. And I've got new lettering for the word Everest. So here you can see that this Everest, currently the wordings are in decal, like sticker. I've got actual raised letters from the newer Everest, which I want to install there. So that's about it. The Everest runs perfectly fine, very smooth. It drives like a well-oiled machine. I love it. It's one of my more reliable vehicles in the fleet besides the A6. It's definitely a workhorse. Love it to bits. Let me know what you think and what is your workhorse. Till next time, this is my fleet update on the Everest, which is a beast. Thanks guys, see you soon.